Do you like to hear stories? If yes, then today's story.
Angry Snake. A carpenter went home after shutting down his workshop. When he was gone, a poison snake entered his workshop. The snake was hungry and hoped to find its supper lurking somewhere within. It slithered from one into another. Finally, it bumped into an axe and got very slightly injured. In anger and revenge, the snake bit the snake with full force. What could a snake's bite do to the metallical axe? Instead, the snake's mouth started bleeding. Out of fury and arrogance, the snake tried its best to strangle and kill the metallical axe, the object that was causing it the pain, by wrapping itself around the axe. The next day, the carpenter opened the workshop. He found the dead snake wrapped around the blades of the axe. Here, the snake did not die because of someone's faults, but it faced this consequence merely because of its own anger and wrath. Sometimes, when angry, we try to cause harm to others, but as time passes by, we realize that we cause more harm to ourselves. It is not necessary that we react to everything. Step back and ask ourselves if the matter is really worth responding to.